Guess who was financially irresponsible again? Lightsaber. Give me my toy! New lightsaber. Instructions. We don't need that. Ooh, okay. If you couldn't tell, this is the brand new AHSOKA TANO Black Series lightsaber. I pre-ordered this a long time ago, probably last year, so I'm glad it's finally here. So now that we got everything open, let's put it together and see how it works. And just how all the other Black Series lightsabers come with a stand, it looks like there is no exception here. We get one for this lightsaber as well. But I want to play with it. I want to play with it. I want to turn the lights on. I want to see the pretty colors. Okay, where are those instructions? Screwdriver! I need a screwdriver. Oh, maybe we did need the instructions. It's not working yet. Am I an idiot? Well, don't answer that. Is this how the younglings feel? Not knowing how to put their lightsaber together? Hey, now we're getting somewhere. Now I'm closer to playing with my toy. Never mind. I feel like they're gonna create real life lightsabers before I get this damn thing put together. There we go. Come on. Come on. Okay. We got the blade on. Now we need some batteries. Actually, I think it charges. I think that's what this is for. You gotta be kidding me. I used one of my own screwdrivers and it came with one. Whatever. Do I need to charge this before I can play with it? It's working. Oh, oops. Why does that keep happening? Got it. So it's a good lightsaber. Resu Studs approved.